Alright, we're coming to you live from Elton Road. Well, somebody got that license a little bit too quick.
He lied on his resume.
He lied on his resume. Come on, Carl.
See this wig? You see wig over there? Said do something.
I'm going that way. Appreciate it.
Look at that wig.
That toupee.